Hey guys, NP Codes here, and today we will be playing this coding game called Codemasters. If any of you were wondering, Codemasters is a game where you code your character to move and get gems in each level. So, I'll be walking you guys through this, and we will be learning some Python through this game. So let's get into it. So now, let's click sign up. Then it will bring you to this pop-up. So what you want to do is click sign up as an individual. Otherwise, if you click student or teacher, then I believe for a teacher you have to pay, and for student, you have to sign up for online classes. And I don't think you need that because you're following this tutorial. So now let's go into sign up as individual. And I'll skip this part out because I don't want to show you guys my birthday and everything like that. So I'll just see you guys when I log in. Okay, so guys, once you have logged in, then you should see this screen. So I'll be walking you guys through Guard Dungeon, and I believe it'll take a few. And if you want, let's just mute that. Okay, so now let's go into our first level, and you guys can just pick whoever you want. And once we get into the later stages, I believe you need to subscribe for all of these guys. So I don't recommend that. You guys can just use any character. So I'll just pick this first lady. And also one thing I forgot. You guys have to set it to Python because my channel is based all around Python. So I'll be following Python in this walkthrough. So let's just click next. And now you can just equip those boots, because you have to equip them actually, because those will grant you the move down, move left, move right skills, move up skills. So now let's just click play. Okay, there we go. So we can click start level, and there we go. So it already gave us one piece of code, which is hero.move right. Yeah, we don't need that. And if you guys you guys don't need to know coding to play this game. Actually, you guys can just look at the methods on the left and just click them, and then you can just see what it does and everything. And you can just copy and paste it, or you can just copy it. Okay, so now let me tell you how this works. So hero.move right doesn't mean your character turns right. It means your character will move right. So, for example, they've already put it in hero.move right, and it moves to the right side, not your character moving right. So now with that out of the way, we can do hero.down, move down. And also, if you guys like have a typo, you guys can just press enter, like whatever comes up in like the highlighted section, and then it'll autocorrect for you. So we can do hero.move down, and then hero.move right. So now let's run it. And there we go. We got the gem. Now we can just click done. And yay, victory. So now we can just click continue. Alright. So now we can go to the next level. Okay, so now they've already started us with one piece of code, hero.move right. So hero.move right, so we have to get that red gem, and then we have to get these 3 gems, then go up and get this 1 gem, and then go right and then get this other gem. So now let's do that. So they've already done hero.move right, so it'll move us over here. And then now what we need to do is hero.move down. There we go. So now it should move down and collect all the 3 gems. And then now we can do hero.move up and hero.move up again. And then hero.move right. There we go. So now this should work. And just a heads up, like after you run your code, it'll show up it'll show up the done button. So you guys can just click that if you guys want to just speed the process up. So clean code, no coding errors, and we completed gems in the deep. Okay, so now we can go to the shadow guard level. Okay, so just a heads up, this ogre can attack you, so we don't want to be seen, because later in my tutorial for this CodeCombat game, we can actually fight back, but not right now, because we're just getting to the basics. So they've already put down one starter code, hero.move, right? So now we need a way to get past the goblin without letting him see us. So one way we can do it is that we can go up, right, down, and then right. But if we go right, if we just go right, so let's do hero.move right. Now the golem will see us, and then he'll just attack us. So we don't want that. We can X this hero.move right, and then we can do hero.move up, hero.move right, hero.move down, and then hero.move right. So now we should complete this level. There we go. The done button appeared. So now let's just wait for our character to get the gems. And there we go. We are completed with this level. No thanks, I prefer to learn on my own. You guys can learn from this tutorial, by the way, because I'm just walking you through this with you guys. And if you guys are having trouble with this and already experienced playing CodeCombat, if you're having trouble with one level, then I think this could be helpful for you guys. Okay, so we have to dodge the traps. So start the level. So let's just wait for the map to move to our character, or we can just drag it actually. Okay, so now it's already started us with moving right 3 times. Oh, also, these brackets are not just for nothing. You can put numbers inside of them to repeat your command how many times you want. So, for example, they put 3, so it moved right 3. So now we can put hero.move up once, and then hero.move right, and then hero.move down. Let's see. So we'll land over here. So it's 1, 2, 3. So hero.move down 3 times, and now we can just do hero.move right 2 times. There we go. Now let's see if our code works. I just sped it up a little, but we can see we reached a gem and we completed the level. Okay, so now we'll go to the true names level. So this is where we're getting to some complex stuff. It's not that complex if you know Python, but if you guys are just beginning, I recommend you guys to just go and check out my other tutorial on how to learn Python for beginners, and I think that will help you get a start for Python. But let's get out of that out of our way, and let's kill some golems. or goblins, whatever. Okay, so what they wrote for us is hero.move right, hero.attack, brack. So basically, they made a variable for us, but we just don't see it. So brack is basically a variable, and he comes down to you and tries to attack you. And also, one thing is that, you must attack small ogres twice. So not only you can't do hero.attack brack once, or you can't do hero.attack brack 2. That won't work. So you have to type in hero.attack brack, and then in the next line hero.attack brack. So now let's try this. And now brack, we have defeated brack. Okay, so now we've defeated brack. We should do the same thing with Treg. So we can do hero.move right, and then hero.move right again, because Treg might not get lured in when we're in his box. So we can just do move right again, and then we can actually copy this code that we use for brack to just make the process faster, and then put Treg in here. Treg. There we go. So now let's see if we complete the level. Then we get the gem, and now Treg tries to kill us, but we got the job done. Okay, so nice. We have no errors, and Brack and Treg have learned not to mess with you. And if you guys are wondering about the side quests, I'll be doing another video on that. But most of them are just like practices, like favorable odds is a practice, counter widthwise is a practice. But sleeping on the job and like the ones that are not practices, I'll be doing in another video. So now let's go to Cell's commentary. And now we still have these. We still have this armor locked. But soon, we'll get it soon. So now we can just click play. Okay, so we get introduced to this new command called say, I believe. Yeah, hero.say. So as we can see, they've used the comments, and it says use the say function to say the password. And we can see the password is achu. So we can just skip that tutorial. So our hero says, what is the password? So we can... Oh, what's the password? Okay. So now we can do hero.say. No, or we can literally just change this password to achu. Achu. There we go. And now she unlocks it, and then we get our gems. But now what we need to do is to move. So let's go move up. I believe it's 2 times. Let's go see. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait. Let's try 3. And there we go. We have completed this level. So now we have learned how to we have learned the command say, and we have used our move up 3 times to get this stack of gems. Now let's click done, and we can just click continue. So guys, I'm gonna stop this video there because we can I'm gonna make a few episodes on finishing Kithgar Dungeon and CodeCombat. So I'll see you guys next time in the next CodeCombat video.